Hi guys, I'm going to be doing this very simple makeup look. It's going to consist of a pop of color. I'm going to be doing yellow on the eyelids, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Starting off with the base, I'm going to be using Pond's Dry Skin Moisturizer because I have normal to dry skin. So I'm just going to be applying it on the areas that I mostly need it, which is basically everywhere. But mostly around my cheek, around my nose area, my chin, and my forehead. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation with the Real Techniques sponge. I very much enjoy this foundation. It doesn't make me look anything like cakey or super dry, so yeah, I'm going to be applying that. To wipe off the foundation off my lips and my eyebrows, I use the Neutrogena wipes. I love these wipes. I live by these wipes. I don't know how many I've gone through, but it is just my go-to wipes to just take away my makeup and leave my skin super clean. Okay, now for the eyebrows. I have a love and hate relationship when it comes to filling in my eyebrows. I very much enjoy the look afterwards, but it's time consuming and I just sometimes don't even do it. I just let it be how it is. But I'm going to be using the Shade and Light palettes in this dark brown shade because my eyebrows are very dark naturally, so I'm just going to go ahead and follow the lining of my natural brow. And voila, my eyebrows are done. As you can see, I'm kind of like eh. But I'm taking my True Match powder. I believe it's in W7 or W8 the shade, and this Real Techniques powder brush. I'm gonna just apply it in the areas where the sun naturally hits, around my cheekbones, my temples, and so on. I'm just going to take this blending brush and just apply a little bit on my nose just to bronze it up, and just in places where I want to feel a little sun-kissed. Now with a shader brush, I'm just going to wipe a little bit of the excess that I had before of a color and just wet it a little bit so that way when I apply the yellow eyeshadow, it goes on a little bit brighter. Because sometimes when you put it on dry, it does not come off as bright. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that off and go ahead and apply it on the eyelids. Now you guys can go ahead and go ham with this eyeshadow. I'm not being very picky or precise with it. I'm just slapping it on and just blending it as I go. But yeah. Now I'm taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner and not doing a dramatic line. It's just a simple, very thin eyeliner. So I completely forgot to powder my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm taking the Kat Von D powder in translucent and applying it with this Real Techniques powder brush. With this foundation stippling brush, I'm using the Glow Kit Anastasia palette, and I'm going to be using, I believe, golden and sunset something, I forgot. But yes, as you can see, it kind of fell and broke, so don't judge. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on the temples of my cheek and the areas where the sun hits. We are doing something very simple for the lips. It's just plain old Vaseline because I'm addicted to chapstick. So I used a Vaseline with a little bit of lip tint in it and this black radiance lip gloss right on top. Very simple and natural looking. For mascara, I'm going to be using Covergirl Exhibitionist. It is my first time using this mascara and I am in love with it. It separates each and every eyelash and yeah, I love it so much. And there you go. That's the pop of color on the eyelids. Very simple, very not time consuming. I'm pretty sure you could do this in like 3 or 5 minutes because I know I can and I know that you guys can. Very glowy on the skin, not cakey at all. Just one more thing to accessorize. I'm going to be putting these little hoops on just to, you know, enhance the look, and I'll just go ahead and put down my box braids. My first time getting box braids, by the way. I did make a video. I haven't edited it yet, so if you guys want to see that, let me know. But here you go. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look as much as I did, and have a really good rest of your day, and like and subscribe, comment below.